Hi there, I'm Dan with Interplant Sales. We run a Jakobsen clausing surface grinder for you here today. It's got an auto down feed on it, 14 by 32 inch electromagnetic chuck. Got a walker control on it, variable power. Turn it on here, it's a pretty strong magnet. Can't move that part. Releases it. You want to program it with the hydraulics off on it. To program it, you just set the increment. It's got a chart here, increment. That's how much it feeds down each time. Just do 0.02 here, kind of fast feed for demo, and then you set the total amount you want it to feed down. Oh, I get enter that. Then the total amount you want it to feed down, how much you want to remove. I'll put 100 thousandths and hit enter here. Now it'll run the program. You put it over here to run the program for the index down. And now you start your hydraulics, start your spindle, start coolant. And you press start here, and the lights up here shows your program's running. Gets lit up. Reversal cable will feed down. Down. When it feeds down the 100 thousandths, it'll say program complete on here and stop feeding. It's got a hydraulic truing arm on it, truing the wheel. Got a high horsepower spindle on it. It's 10 horse. The machine is wired for 230 volt 3-phase. It's cycle complete here now. It says 100 thousandths down. It'll be in spark out now until you stop it. Start button, stop button here, it works as a rapid buttons for up and down on the spindle. You put it over here and it'll rapid. Take it off here to here. This is slow and this is fast. Put it here, it goes slow. And the stop button will feed it down. Wrap it down. Disregard these two buttons for moving the head up and down. It's all done with this here. Seems to be a good running machine. If you have any questions,